Hey scholars! Today we're going to continue mixtures. Remember, a mixture is a combination of two or more ingredients that maintain their physical properties when combined and are easy to separate. So yesterday's example was a fruit salad. So we know that it's a mixture because it had two or more ingredients. They maintain their physical properties, so they didn't go from a solid to a liquid. They stay solids, and then they're easy to separate. So I can pick apart my ingredients from my mixture. Our objectives: we know that matter has measurable, testable, and observable physical properties. We will understand how to recognize that the physical properties of the ingredients do not change when mixed together, and we'll be able to illustrate and label mixtures in our interactive notebook. So this chart will be in your journal. And there's just a slight change. We added soil just in case you did not have sand. You can always get some dirt from your front yard, backyard, or somewhere close. So we're going to be describing the physical property. So you're going to be filling this out as we discuss it. So when I take a look at my soil, it looks dark in color. It feels rough or soft, depending on which part of the soil I'm touching. It's odorless. It's tasteless. And I can start describing states of matter. So it's a solid. It is less dense because it's going to float. And that's pretty much it for my physical properties. If you think of any, just add them to your list. So now you're going to illustrate this mixture in just a second. Let's continue with physical properties of water. So I can describe water as being clear, tasteless, odorless, wet maybe. And it is a conductor of thermal energy and a liquid because it takes the shape of its container. So now we're going to illustrate this mixture. What's it going to look like when I combine it? So I'm going to go ahead and take my beaker, place my soil in here. Then I'm going to add some water. So I want you to go ahead and illustrate what this looks like in your journal. Next, what did you observe? What did you notice? What did you see? So add your observations in your chart. And did the physical properties change when mixed? Did the soil change states of matter? No. Did the water become a gas or a solid? No. So when I combined the sand or soil and my water, they maintain their physical properties. So did the physical properties change when mixed? No. What is the best or easiest way to separate this mixture? So let's go back to our tools. What can I use that's going to help me separate my water from my soil? Well, I'm going to use a coffee filter. So we might think of like our parents or somebody making coffee. And it's very similar. So I'm going to pour my mixture here. And I'm going to be very careful. So my funnel, if I had one, would have caught my filter. But I can see that my liquid fell and it held all of my solid parts of my soil. So this is going to be the fastest way to separate sand or soil and water. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask your teacher or see me during office hours.